The Royal Commission's over, finally. I've been waiting for this report to come out because I want to know where we stand. And what I've seen is this: we're not seeing any more restrictions on property and financing and being able to get tougher. They didn't recommend that, which is what a lot of people were thinking, was the banks are going to get even tighter. But what we've seen is the banks are already operating as if the Royal Commission was already ended 12 to 18 months ago. We already seen this. And what we're going to see now going forward is the banks get back on track and start lending money like they used to, because that's how they make money. And what that means is they're going to be able to start lending again. Again, they're going to have to look at expenses, and they're going to have to go through this criteria that they've had to go through the last 12 to 18 months, but they now know where they stand, which means they can start to lend more money again, which is a good thing. Now, there have been some bad news out there again against mortgage brokers. I don't really want to get too far into that because it's not really helping property investors. But what I can say is now that the Royal Commission is over. They didn't recommend tightening the screws on finance and making it harder to lend money. And that is a good thing for property investors. And I believe that now it's over the next 12 months, we can start to see more borrowing happening. We can start to also see that getting loan applications through the banks are going to be a lot quicker than they were. We've already started seeing that. So I think it's a good thing that the Royal Commission's over. Obviously, there are some components to this where the recommendations that the Royal Commission had were probably not in favor of, say, financial planners or mortgage brokers. But again, for property investors on the side of what's happening with borrowing and lending, I do think that it is a good thing going forward. So that's just my conclusion on the Royal Commission, and I am glad it's over so that we can get on with it and start buying more property and start building property portfolios, because again, we're looking for the next 10 to 15 years to do this. This is not a simple, easy 2-year get in, get out, buy and make money. It's a 10 to 15 year process. You want to get rich for sure. You want to make sure you do it for the long term. If you like my videos, can you please like, share and comment? And until next time, guys, have a great day.